In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom to 100% in Figma. When you're designing, there are moments when you need to see your work at its true, actual size. No artificial scaling, no guesswork. That's what 100% zoom gives you. It shows your canvas exactly as Figma intends, so one logical pixel in your design corresponds to one logical pixel on your screen. This is especially helpful when you're checking text legibility, fine alignment, or assessing how icons and strokes feel at real size. The quickest way to get there is with a single shortcut. On both Mac and Windows, press Shift plus the number 0. That's Shift and 0, as in the digit, not the letter O. The instant you do, your view snaps to 100% zoom. You don't have to scroll or drag, it just resets the canvas to the standard view. If you glance at the zoom readout in Figma's toolbar after pressing it, you'll see it update to 100%, confirming you're looking at the design at actual size. Why does this matter? Design decisions are often made at the wrong zoom level without realizing it. At 200%, tiny spacing issues can look dramatic. At 50%, text might appear crisper than it truly is. Going to 100% grounds your evaluation in reality, which is exactly what you want, before handing work off to stakeholders or developers. It's also a smart checkpoint before exporting assets, so you're judging edges, contrast, and weight exactly as they'll be perceived. If your goal is to get a quick, bird's-eye view of everything on the page, there's another helpful shortcut built for that. Press Shift plus 1 to zoom to fit. Instead of actual size, it scales the canvas so all visible content fits in the window. Use Shift plus 0 to judge details accurately, and Shift plus 1 to navigate the big picture without panning. A small note about displays. On high-density screens, 100% in Figma still represents the design's true logical size, even if physical pixels are more dense. The takeaway is the same. Use 100% when you want a faithful, unscaled view of your work. So whenever you need to reset your perspective and see things as they are, remember the shortcut. Press Shift plus 0 to jump straight to 100% zoom, and when you need an overview, press Shift plus 1 to fit everything in view. Keep these two in your muscle memory, and your review process will be faster, clearer, and more consistent every time you design in Figma.